Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 2, angles. In this chapter we are going to study how to write the name of the angle, what are the vertex of the angle and arms of the angle. This we have already done in the previous chapter also last year, but this is going to be the revision, so I'll be explaining you from the textbook itself, page number 6. So how are you going to write the name of the angle? So writing the name of the angle is very important. This is going to be the vertex, okay, the main vertex of the angle. So this should come in the center. That is, how are you going to read? Angle PYR is going to be the name of the angle. Alright, so why? You all should always remember the main vertex has to come in between the both the alphabets, that is the main vertex. Next is going to be angle LMN. Angle LMN. It is very easy to read if you remember the few points that I am going to show you. Angle BOS or SOB. The main thing is O should come in the center. Alright, now what are the vertex of the angle? The main vertex, as I said, you all have to only write the vertex of the angle. Which is going to be the main vertex? That is Y. Over here the main vertex is M. O is the main vertex of the angle BOS. This can be asked in the exam also, and it is very easy to remember these 3 points. If you all remember, the whole chapter has been covered in this 3 things only. Now next is arms of the angle. Arms. Now what are arms? These are supposed to be the arms. So how are you going to write the arms? Ray, because it looks like a ray, isn't it? So therefore you all have to write ray YP, and then another ray is ray YR. Next is ray LM or MN also you all can, ML also you all can write ray MN. Next is ray OB and ray OS. So this question can be asked. Figures will be given to you all. You all have to write the name of the angle, vertex of the angle and arms of the angle, which is very easy to write. Okay, I think this section is clear to everyone. If anyone is having any problem, do let me know in the comment section. Now next is few more angles that we have to study, because we only know right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, isn't it? You all have studied these 3 angles in the previous year also. So today we are going to study more angles. Alright, so the angle between the stick is called a zero angle. The measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. Now if they have given an activity, you all can use this 2 sticks there. As they have said, you all have to use two sticks, and then you all have to write what kind of angle those 2 sticks are making. So it is very easy to understand that this is supposed to be the zero angle, because यहाँ पे कोई angle बनता ही नहीं है. So this kind of angle which is very straight, you all can take a pencil. So this is the straight angle or a zero angle, which is written as 0 degree. Alright, it is very easy to remember, so nothing much to explain. Next is acute angle. We all know what is acute angle. The angle greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. मतलब 0 से बड़ा and 90 से छोटा is called as acute angle. Okay, so in this figure you all have to remember. I'll show you a small trick that you all can remember. See, this is your hand. Alright, this is your hand. So when you hold your hand in this position, it is going to be a right angle. When you make it small, it is going to be an acute angle. When you enlarge your hand in this way, it is going to be an obtuse angle. So with the help of your hand also, you all can make angles and remember the names of the angle. Alright, the statement that they have given over here is very important for the fill in the blanks also. The angle greater than 0 but less than 90 is called an acute angle. I think this is clear because we have already studied this last year also. Now next, and the main angle that we all know, that is 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle is very easy to remember. As I said, you all can hold your hand in this position and this is supposed to be your 90-degree angle. Okay, even a pen you all can use, and two stick, as they have said in this activity, you all can use two stick or two pen I am using over here, and this is supposed to be your 90-degree, which is quite straight. Okay, the lines are straight. The angles formed in the figure C is a right angle, and what is the statement? An angle of 90-degree is called right angle. So this can be asked for the fill in the blank. Nothing much to explain in 90-degree angle. Now obtuse angle, the angle greater than 90-degree but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. See, 90-degree is this, isn't it? These three angles you all have to learn it by heart along with the statement. 90 से छोटा acute angle, 90-degree and 90 से बड़ा, it is going to be an obtuse angle. So what is the statement? The angle greater than, मतलब 90 से बड़ा but less than, it is less than 180. So in this you will see it is 0 degree. Okay, but in the next chapter we will next section we will see a straight angle which is supposed to be 180. Okay, I'll show you this. First we will understand this कि 180 किधर से आता है. So when this is supposed to be 180, तो मतलब 90 से बड़ा and 180 से छोटा is supposed to be the obtuse angle. Now next is supposed to be the straight angle. As I said, the difference between a straight angle and zero angle. So straight angle, it is having 180 का measurement. Okay, the straight angle measure is 180 degree. Alright, so nothing much to explain. ये यहाँ से पूरा bend होता है, then it is supposed to be as a 180 degree. So this is 180 degree. Don't get confused between straight angle and zero angle. Zero angle में कोई भी marking नहीं है. जैसे you will see over here, the arrows are being given. Everywhere the arrows are being given, but 0 degree में कोई arrow नहीं है. So how are you going to recognize a 0 degree angle and a straight angle? जहाँ पे arrow दिया हुआ है, then you all have to understand. No arrow means it is a zero angle, and when there is an arrow, it is said to be a straight angle. I think it is clear the difference between the zero angle and a straight angle. Both look same. Okay, so don't worry. You all have to only see the arrow, what arrow they have shown. Next is supposed to be a reflex angle. Reflex angle मतलब उल्टा घूमना शुरू हो जाता है, because see, the angle is been formed when we form a circle. Circle form जब होता है, it is said to be a complete angle. So after 180 के बाद जब और bend होता है, this type of angle is said to be reflex angle, which is greater than 180. 180 से ज़्यादा होता है but 360 से कम होता है. So why 360? Because circle का जो radius होता है और circle is said to be of 360 degree. Okay, so when an angle is forming a 360 degree, it is said to be a complete angle, but when it is greater than 180 but less than 360 is supposed to be a reflex angle. You all have to see the arrow. The main thing in this chapter is naming the angles, and the angles, how are you going to find it? By the way of arrow. जहाँ पे भी arrow दिखा हुआ है, you all have to only remember the arrow and then you all have to write the names of the particular angle. Now the last one is very easy. The first and the last one is very easy to remember. First one was the zero angle जहाँ पे straight था, and now this is supposed to be a circle. मतलब जब पूरा angle form हो जाता है, it is said to be a 360 degree वाला angle. An angle made in this way is full or a complete angle. The measure of a complete angle is 360 degree. This statement is very important. The statements that I have marked, children, can be asked for true or false, for fill in the blanks, anything it can be asked. Teacher will mark the questions and then give you in the unit exam. So you all have to remember all the properties of all the angles. Now the practice set I will be completing in the next video. If anyone is having any problem, do let me know in the comment section. So while solving the practice set, I will be taking that comment and answering that question. So do, if you all have not understood any property of any angle, regarding any angle, if you all have not understood, do let me know in the comment section. So while solving the problem set, I will take your question and answer it in brief. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.